Okay, we've got our head here, and we want to work on the mouth. So we're going to round this part down. I'll use my belt sander for it to initially round it down some. See how we round it down with the belt sander. We'll continue to get this rounded down so we get a nice fit in here. We'll have to take some out in here so we can close up over top the teeth with it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Also, if you got any questions, feel free to ask on my comment section of my YouTube page, and I'll get back with you on it. Thanks for watching.